I think it's fair to say the judge decided he wanted some more time to think about various options that the two sides put on the table. He described it as a dilemma and has not committed himself as to what he's going to do.
Can you tell us what you're seeking on behalf of your clients?
What we've asked is that they be released here in Washington, subject to what would sound like parole conditions. So regular reporting to the Marshal Service. Mr. Parhad Yassin is here. He lives in Maryland, and he's offered hospitality to them. We've proposed that the judge have a hearing about that. Well, I think it's pretty considerable. They've been there 3.5 years, and we read yesterday in the newspaper that the government has been at this, trying to find another country since 2003. Well, that must mean that the government has known that they're basically innocent since 2003. It seems like a long time to be in jail.
The question really isn't one of building a gilded cage. The question is, ultimately, if these are people for whom there's no reason to continue to detain them, they need to be released. And it doesn't matter that they have ping pong tables, and it doesn't matter that that they can play video games. The fact of the matter is, you don't have a right to detain someone indefinitely with no prospect of returning them. And the United States has said, our Secretary of State, Colin Powell, said they cannot be returned to their home country because they would be tortured there. We have obligations under the Convention Against Torture not to return people to torture. And so we then are stuck in a situation. What do you do with these people? And holding them indefinitely in prison is not the answer.
Yigirmi ikki odam bor. Hozir mush ikkisi qilib qolsa, Yevropada hukumatlar ommaviy etibdi. Mush ikkisi Amerikada qilib qolsa, hamda mush ikkisi Amerika olgandan keyin qolgan davlatlarni qolganlarni elishi mumkin.
Okay. There's 22 of them in Guantanamo Bay. But if we start good things with these two people here, then the European countries and other countries are going to also step in, and it's a good start for everybody else too.